Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue on charging in iOS 16.4.1. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, remove any case or cover. Some iPhone cases or covers can restrict airflow and contribute to overheating. Remove the case while charging to see if that helps lower the temperature. And then after this, the next solution is check the charging cable and power adapter. Ensure that you are using a genuine Apple charging cable and power adapter. Faulty or counterfeit accessories can generate excessive heat. If possible, try using a different cable and adapter to see if the issue persists. And then after this, the next solution is charge in a cool environment. High ambient temperatures can contribute to overheating while charging. Move to a cooler area or avoid placing your iPhone in direct sunlight while charging. And then after this, the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. And then after this, the next solution is close background apps. Background apps can consume processing power and generate heat. Double press the home button for iPhones with the home button or swipe up from the bottom of the screen for iPhones without a home button to access the app switcher. So swipe up and close all the background apps here. And then after this, the next solution is disable unnecessary features. Some features such as background app refresh, location services, and push email can contribute to increased power consumption and heat generation. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap to turn off, and then go back, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this off. And then after this, the next solution is update iOS. Ensure that your iPhone is running the new version if the update is available. So go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, wait for checking for update. So guys, if the new update is available, so update your iPhone to the new version. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.